from international law attorney Jonathan Kuttab, who joins us now from Maryland. Thank you very much for your time. First things first, can we just get your reaction to these developments?
Well, I'm both surprised and worried, frankly. Surprised because the case was supposed to be removed from Louisiana to New Jersey in the first place. Surprised also that Mark Rubio, the Secretary of State, would consider the case important enough to intervene directly and send a memo claiming that this is somehow injurious to U.S. foreign policy. I'm also very concerned because it shows a determination, I think, by the Trump administration and their supporters to move away from a democratic, open, free speech society towards an authoritarian regime that will punish its enemies and would punish any kind of dissent against its policies. I've even had some of my American friends who say, we're worried that they are going to move not only against residents, legal residents with green cards, but also that this may also move against naturalized citizens and ordinary citizens. We saw how during World War II, they moved against Japanese citizens, U.S. citizens of Japanese descent. It is, in fact, a very worrisome development.
So what is the next stage in the process here legally? Is there any appeal, or was this the appeal?
I suspect there will be an appeal, maybe all the way to the Supreme Court, because it's always been the case that American freedom and American democracy apply to everybody in America, not just to American citizens. So there will be an appeal, I think. I think the case of the government is very, very, very weak because he hasn't done anything illegal. He has acted totally within the framework of the existing laws. It's not like he is a supposedly a gang member or somebody who is breaking and destroying property. There is no even allegation that he has violated any law. So it's really a very, very disturbing case. I suspect that the administration is more interested in the chilling effect it has on everybody, that people will be afraid to speak, will be afraid to demonstrate, that ordinary citizens even, as well as all the legal residents here, it will have a chilling effect on their exercise of rights.
This is what I wanted to ask you, Jonathan. Does this feel like to you like very much a test case for the Trump administration to see how far perhaps they can push things?
Very much. And I think they also fell into it inadvertently. I think when he was first arrested, people thought that he was just a foreign student and they could easily dismiss him. And they were surprised to find out that he was, in fact, a green card holder and a resident, a full permanent resident of the United States. But they were sort of caught in this situation, and they did not want to back up, back out, and back down, and admit that they had made a mistake. So instead, they said, "We're going to deport you anyway. We're going to take away your green card and deport you." Yes, I think this is a very dangerous test case. I hope he will be vindicated. And I hope that this current atmosphere of authoritarianism will come to an end, and people will go back to the natural situation, which is that this is a free country. It's a democratic country. It's a country where you're allowed to speak out even against your own government. not be punished for attacking another government, a foreign government, the state of Israel, for its really genocidal behavior.
Do you think, Jonathan, this is going to lead to the free speech advocates and supporters of Mahmoud Khalil here? Is it going to galvanise them, and is there going to be some sort of reaction? You say that you want this period of authoritarianism, as you call it, to come to an end. That's only going to happen, isn't it, if there's an opposite reaction?
I hope so. I hope so. It turns out that Palestine and the Palestinian question is becoming like a litmus test, the canary in the mine. That they're going after Palestinians because they think they are weak, and they're going after immigrants because they are weak. But eventually, this administration is very authoritarian. It's going against everybody who opposes their own agenda. And hopefully, Americans will wake up to what is happening and will move back away from this authoritarian, right-wing, racist, homophobic attitude that seems to be in charge of the government right now.
Jonathan, thank you very much for your insights this evening and your thoughts.
You're welcome. Thank you.